So how confident are you that NAMS data will replace 10% of animal testing data for regulatory submissions by 2030? So this is not all animal testing. This is just 10%. I'd like to see what you all think. And in the meantime, I'm curious what the panelists think about this question, or if you potentially have any predictions as to what the results may be from this audience.
I should say that companies are already doing it. I will be, at least in a bigger companies, people are, when they develop medicines, they're already thinking about 3 Rs, for example, virtual controls and, developing a package of weight of evidence that we don't need animal studies. So there's a lot of work ongoing. And that 10%, it's interesting, that number. But I would be, I would be surprised if we can accomplish that because it's already happening.
Interesting. Any
Especially
other,
with monkeys, for example, with monkeys, right? In areas such as, let's say, development and reproductive toxicology studies, carcinogenicity, of course, rodents, and a lot of these difficult to treat therapies, platforms, for example. If you already know the mechanisms, for example, there are like CD3 bifunctionals where you already know the mechanisms, and why do you have to do all these studies again, right? Yeah. So there's a lot of these platform approaches, weight of evidence approaches that, people are already doing it.
Well, I want to add too, like, if you look at the cosmetics industry, European Union phased out cosmetic in vivo animal studies in 2013. So 100% of that data has been replaced by NAMS since over a decade ago. So I think that, there's a wide range of opportunity here, and especially if you focus in on a certain area like that, and as well with the FDA roadmap laying out monoclonals being phased in over the next 5 years. So this field is only going to grow.
Yeah. Let's see what the results say. Okay. Looks like the audience members agree with the panelists here. 49% at very confident, 33% at somewhat confident, and then about 10% neutral, about 8% not confident.